What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be making some changes right here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to do some hover. I'm going to add some hover effects right here, so if someone brings his mouse it should turn to black so that it should look much great. Okay, I'm just going to come here and I want this to be like if someone clicks this, he should be seeing a color hover. On hover, he should be seeing a black color. So there we go. Okay, you can see how this is. So this is changing to black, same like this. I'm gonna come here to edit column. So we don't have to edit this one, we have to edit the column. Okay, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna go to style right here, I'm gonna go to hover, and on hover it should change the color. So it should change the color to be black. So here we go, you can see how this is changing. Then we have the last one is graphic design. I'm gonna come here. I basically want to select the column, and on column I want to go to the style, I want to go to the background type, and I want to come here to color, and this color is going to be this one. So you can see how this is changing. Okay, oh no. I want to clear it. I want to go to the hover, and then on hover I want to come here to classic, I want to come here to color, and now I want this to be black. So now you can see how this is looking. Okay, so now I need a call to action button right here. So I would be asking to my viewers to that need a professional developer, hire me. Okay, so here would be a button. So now let's get started. Let's come here, let's just add a text editor. Okay, and I want the text editor to be let's come here and let's add it, need a professional developer, need a professional developer, need a professional developer. Okay, I want to go to style, I want to align this to center. Okay, and I want to go to the color, and the color should be white. So let's come here, let's just hit this, and let's switch on the typography. So this should be right here. Okay, and I want this to be open sans. Okay, and I want the weight to be 300, and also I want a border right here. So I want a border. So for border, okay, for bordering I think I should go with a column right here. Oh, sorry, I want to come here, I want to delete the column, I want to edit this column right here, I want to go to style, and I want to assign the border. So the border is going to be solid. Okay, its width is 1 pixel. Okay, and its color is going to be white. So let's see, you can see how this is looking. Okay, I want to decrease some spacing right here. So what I want to do right now is that I want to go to this style right here, and I want to go to style, I want to go to line height, and line height should be decreased. So here we go. Okay, this is cool. Okay, now what I want to save it, and there we go. You can see how this is looking. So it says need a professional developer, and the hire me should be inside it. Yes. Okay, I want a button right now, so I'm gonna click this, and now here should be a button. So let's grab this button and let's drop it right here. So you can see this is coming right here. I'm just gonna click here, and it should be hire me. Okay, and I want this to be centered, and I want the size to be extra large, select icon, so it should be higher by me person. Okay, let's see which one we should go for. So I think or just don't choose any icon. Okay, what I want right now, I want to go to the button typography. I want to increase the size. Okay, and I want the family to be Open Sans. I want the background color to be the red. So I want the background color to be red. Okay, not this red, but this red. This red. Okay. Yes. I want the line height to be this much. Yes. Just increase the size more. Hire me. Okay. What I want right now, I want this to be. Let's just click this again. Let's go to advanced and let's grab some padding right here. So I want to give some padding to the top, so it should be 50 pixel. Or 50 is not looking cool, so 200 pixel. No, 200 pixel isn't looking good. 100 pixel. I think I should just come here, and I think I don't need this border right here, so I'm just gonna come here, and the border should be none. So I want to remove the border. Okay, I want to come here to the button right here. I want this type to be. Let's just come here. Let's just come here and let's choose the default one. Okay, the weight should be 100. And let's just come here and choose the 300 one. Okay, and I want the border type to be solid, so the border color is going to be red, and the border width is going to be 1 pixel to everything. Okay, so everything looks cool right now. Now what I want the color to be okay. I think I should just decrease some size this much. Yes, this is looking cool. So now everything is looking cool. What I want right now is that the hover color. So on hover, the background color should be none. So here we go. You can see how this is changing. Cool. So yes. Also one more thing, and that is the border radius. The border radius is going to be 0. Okay, so that this should be full square. Okay, now this is looking cool. Let's just come here and let's hit this. You can see it says need a professional developer, hire me. So everything looks cool. You can see I have this, my name, my logo, my this button right here. I go down, and it says what I can do. Okay, so we have some hovering effects right here, and then we have the need a professional developer, and this says hire me. So you can see that this website is this website is really simple. We haven't used so many things. Okay, we haven't used them, but we have used the images and the professionality in it. That is why this website is looking amazing, and if someone will see it, he'll be like, oh my god, he'll just buy me, he'll just hire me, basically. Sorry. So you can see that this is how it works. So now what I want this to be like, on clicking this, a pop-up should be coming right here, and it should be asking the person that what you want. Okay, that he should be asking a form, or he should be showing a form. That pop-up should be showing a form, and the person can enter his name, his email address, and the subject, and also this the sorry, that what we can say that the message so that I can just then contact him. I can call him or I can contact him and send him a code. Okay, so this is how it is gonna work. So now I think I'm totally done with my website. So thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video we'll move on. Goodbye.